We are out here at the 2nd Avenue Block Party, Seattle, Washington. Everybody's turning up downtown. Picturing a lot of flying projectiles with those skateboards on the other side. I'm not seeing it, but I'm picturing it. And I think I'm pretty accurate. Get a different view here, kind of see what's been going on this other side, because that's what makes it or breaks it, really. Virtually everybody's getting the first part. It's whether you make it on that part. Ooh. Whole second part to it that most people aren't even getting to, quite frankly.
Here, we'll just make it really good for you guys. It seemed like an awesome concept. It did not work out that well.
I cannot believe what I'm witnessing out here in Seattle today. This dude.
Something gonna feel better?
This dude just freaking jumped into a pile of Legos.
My name's Sideshow Ben. We got the Mighty Lurch on stage over here. Yeah.
I really don't know what I walked in on here in Seattle.
Have you guys
Ronald McFondle
3-2-1 battle or SSP for a while? Anybody out here in the 3-2-1 battle or SSP?
It's Ronald McFondle. What the?
All right. So this is a ridiculously stupid thing that we only do for this fucking idiot. and it's really greatly appreciated. I'm not even. I just dive face first into a pile of Lego. I'm not this dumb. But we're gonna do it anyway. So what's gonna happen is Ronald McFondle, the pervy clown, is gonna lay down on his bed now.
He's gonna lay down.
You're gonna lay down on the bed now. So we're trained unprofessionals. All right, so we got Ronald McFondle down on the ridiculous bed of nails.
What are they doing? What are they going to do to Ronald McFondle?
barefoot as fuck. I'm not gonna have any of that shit. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ronald McFondle, please. All right.
With the